If you've spent the whole weekend thinking, how can I use agentic AI in my bid writing to write more winning bids at faster times, then don't worry, because you're not alone. I spent the whole weekend thinking that too. In fact, I've spent the last 2 years thinking, how can we do this? But luckily for you, I'll hop on here today and show you exactly how you can use agentic AI within your responses to improve and find more data. So here's a response for a Knight Frank facility management tender, a first draft generation that I built through the mytender.io platform. But I'm here today to specifically show you the io.ai chat. What this does is it allows you to improve your answers at super speed with super high quality data. So if I take this first paragraph, for example, I can hop in here, I can highlight this, and I can say, okay, so I've asked the system to include more detail on Jamie Horsnell, our contract manager's experience from our internal data library. So the system's gone and found specific projects and referenced them in that paragraph and just improved them, literally at the click of a fingers. I can also find this data and see exactly where this has been sourced from within our library. However, I feel there's a little bit missing on the client's perspective on like specific pains that they'll feel and specific pertinent risks for Knight Frank on their 2P process management. So if I put into here, find some key risks on Knight Frank's 2P4 FM contracts, we can essentially find some key risks that have been taken directly from their website and external data on the internet, and I can merge them directly into my answer. So let's say I want to copy that and put this in here, but it doesn't quite fit in. So what I may want to do is say, put this into a diagram. Amazing. Now I can get rid of this text and we have the diagram directly embedded into my answer. Now that's just the first draft. I can iterate on that many times as much as I need, but it's looking pretty good now. The final step, I'm just going to quickly analyze where I've got up to. So I'll hop onto this analysis tab here. Recommend some additional examples to strengthen this answer. It's going to go look into my library at some specific examples that can be used. Okay, great. Here's some case studies that we can now embed. Perfect. So that is how you can use agentic AI in your bid writing. I hope that satisfied your yearning to find out how you can do that, because it certainly helps satisfy mine. I'll see you soon in my next video.